What? Edie, whose chair is that? Who? Is it Sissy's chair? It's not Eileen's. What are you gonna watch? The DVD? Who's on the DVD? Barbie. Do you like Barbie? Do you play with Sissy's Barbies? Oh, what happened? It got all quiet. Where's Daddy Bill? Is that Daddy Bill?